Recover your data at the speed of light. If you're still paying for tape cartridges and offsite storage, putting your critical data at risk of loss, damage, or theft, then a switch to using virtual tape will instantly improve your data protection and your bottom line. When you need faster backup and recovery, virtual tape should be at the top of the list. The LaserVault ViTL virtual tape and tape library solution is unlike any other VTL. Easily integrated into existing IBM I operations, ViTL allows you to automate your backups and get light-speed recovery of your data. Virtual tape will immediately shorten your backup windows, significantly speed up your data recovery, and will help you simplify your operations and quickly reclaim time currently tied up with using physical tape. ViTL uses an easy web interface so you can manage your backups from any chair, anywhere. No longer will you have to be on site with your servers. If you're getting ready to upgrade your IBM Power System, you definitely will want to learn about virtual tape before you upgrade. Save backups to a hard drive, NAS, SAN, or deduplication appliance, including Exagrid, Cohesity, Rubrik, and many others. Backup to the cloud for another layer of data protection. Easily integrate with BRMS, Robot Save, and other backup software commands. And there's no limit on the size of virtual tapes other than available disk space.